Today, we're going to learn how to merge multiple PDFs into a single PDF using Python. Hello, everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on merging multiple PDFs into one document using IronPDF and Python. We've already installed the IronPDF into our Python project. So let's open up the main py file and look through it. So to begin, we need to set up the IronPDF by applying our license key. This allows us to access all the features and functionalities that we need for this process. We'll use the license key.licenseKey method to input our key. So now let's prepare our sample HTML content representing 3 different PDF documents. Now we'll instantiate the Chrome PDF renderer to convert our HTML content into PDF documents. To merge 2 documents, we use the PDF document.merge method. Here we merge PDF doc_A and PDF doc_B into one single PDF, and we'll save it as merged to PDF.pdf. Next, we're going to extend this merge to 3 PDF documents. We'll create a list of PDF documents to be merged, and then using the PDF document.merge method, we can merge all 3 documents from our list into a single PDF file. We then, of course, save this merged document as merged.pdf. Now let's run the script and check the output. The merged PDF files should be saved to the current directory under the file names merged to pdf.pdf and merge.pdf. So reviewing the results, we see that the PDF where we merged the 2 PDFs together, here they're merged into one single file. And next, we'll look at the PDF that contains all 3 PDFs merged. And here you go. They're all together in one document. And this concludes our tutorial on merging multiple PDF files into one using IronPDF in Python. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Please smash the like button if you did. Click subscribe if you'd like some more videos from us. And if you'd like to try out the power of the software yourself, there's a link in the description below. Go to our site, sign up, download, install it. Check out the power yourself.